Hi there mga beloved ko soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyong lagi inabangan, sinusubaybayan at pinakamala Renzo Tarot Channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? May kami ka-shoutout po sa aking mga soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong panig ng mundo na laging nanonood. Nababasa ko po ang inyong mga komento. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal. Sige po, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po o naka-resonate kayo sa ating reading, ay wag na nyo pong kalimutan na i-like, mag-comment po kayo, of course, i-share at i-subscribe nyo po ang ating channel. Sige, ang ating pong reading ngayon ay alamin natin ang kapalaran. Ano bang mga ganap na aasahan sa February 2026, buwan ng February para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Leo. Leo Sun, Moon Rising, Venus para sa inyo to. Text what only resonate, at kapag hindi kayo naka-resonate, hanapin nyo yung energy sa ibang reading dito sa YouTube. Okay? Ulitin ko, Leo Sun, Moon Rising, Venus para sa inyo to. February 2026, ano bang dapat nyong asahan or ano mga ganap na ang mensahe na nais parating na universe para sa inyo. Last shuffle at kunin na natin ang yung 10 baraha Leo. Okay? Okay. Spirit, Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Leo. 10 baraha para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa babalik ko po nung pakita siya ng Leo. Sa mga bago po sa ating channel, baka magtaka po kayo bakit parang ang kalat, ang gulo ng pag-shuffle. Don't worry, dito po tayo nakakakuha ng magagandang baraha. Just focus on the reading. Dito po ako komportable. At yun, umiikot ang baraha. Dito tayo nakakakuha ng mga barahang nakaka-resonate ang karamihan. Okay? Ayun, nahulog siya. So we have 4 cards already. 6 pass. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, up. Balik ko yung isa kasi nakita nyo sa camera. So, yung isa lang na nahulog. 5 na. Last 5 cards, please. Kunin ko nga ito. 6. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Last 3 cards, please, for Leo. February 2026 reading of Leo. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope and I pray that you're okay. You're healthy, you're safe, and you're happy. Okay? So, we have 3 cards left. 3 cards to go, Spirit Universe. So, eto. 2 pa. Ayun, may tumalsik na naman. Ay, wala. Kunin ko to. Then, last one. Ayun, may nahulog. Okay. Your cards are now complete, Leo. 10 cards mo. Ayusin ko lang ito at wag na nating patagalin pa. February 2026 reading, Leo. Let's begin with your first card, Page of Wands. So, February, you expect na yung mga pinaghirapan mo, yung mga winor, parang trinabaho mo for the past time, pinaghirapan mo, pinagbuyatan mo, lahat-lahat, binuhos mo ang puyat, pagod, dugo, pawis. So, makikita mo February may unti-unti ng clarity or makikita mo ng yung unti-unting pagbunga nito. Tingnan mo, ayan, may tumutubo ng dahon. So, ayun yung 3 pyramids, yun yung goal mo, yun yung nais mong ma-achieve. So, yan, dyan ka talaga nag-focus, yan talaga yung pinaglaban mo, pinaghirapan mo. So, expect by February, Leo, so there will be a clear message para sa universe na you're doing a good job, you're on the right path, nasa tamang landas ka, you need to continue, and you need extra hard work talagang yan na yan. Nakikita mo na unti-unti nang lalago, unti-unti nang magiging maganda yung takbo. So that's why expect by February na magiging maganda ang takbo ng buwan mo, Leo. So February, this is not literally na heartbreak or sa what is this, related sa love life or relationship, but in terms of people. So because siguro masyadong mataas yung standard mo or yung expectation mo sa tao, that's why by February, there are moments that you will be disappointed. Siguro umaasa ka sa mga promises or lalong-lalo na itong mga tao na to ay parang you valued or parang you've trusted for so long and they will disappoint you. That's why you will be frustrated. But don't dwell on it. So that's part of our life na may mga tao talaga na mag-disappoint sa atin. Hindi pwedeng lahat ay perfecto. So comes February, expect mo na hindi mo kontrolado ang mga sitwasyon. Leo, hindi mo kontrolado ang feelings and emotions ng mga tao sa paligid mo. That's why whatever happens, so disappointments will come, but you just need to continue what you have started. Okay? Pangatlo, oh, look at this one. So there's an emptiness, malulungkot ka talaga sa mangyayari. Maapektuhan ka, here you are, parang it feel na kasi sa sobrang pagtitiwala, it seems na is dahil lang sa mangyayari ito, parang biglang guguho ang lahat, parang masisira ang pundasyon ng pagsasama, tiwala, friendship, family members. So, Leo, it's okay. Okay? It's okay to feel sad, to be disappointed, sabi ko nga. Kasi nature ng tao lang tayo. At least now, kapag napanood mo to na uh, in-expect mo talaga na there are some situations that will arise comes February, but it's up to you, ikaw, kung paano mo ito i-deal or haharapin. Um, of course, you need to face it positively. Okay, kasi sabi ko nga, you will be really disappointed. Malulungkot ka talaga. And of course, kasi nga, hindi mo kontrolado ang sitwasyon. Kahit siguro yung tao na yan, hindi ginusto ang pangyari na yan. And kahit siya ay maapektuhan din, but you need to accept it. Okay? You need to accept it. Kung ako sa'yo, tulungan mo na lang siya uli para bumangon or para masolve yung bagay na yan. At least, because kung kilala mo naman talaga na hindi siya ganyan, why are you going to kumbaga, bakit ka mawawala agad ang tiwala? So, if you've been trusting that person for so long, okay, kailangan mo din tulungan. But, come February, may konting sadness nga. It's because of this disappointment, okay? Connected siya din sa pangalawang baraha na Three of Swords. So, it's okay. Natural sa buhay natin ang ma-disappoint. So, ayan. Pang-apat mong baraha is Seven of Swords, kaya that's why February, this is the best time for you to reflect on yourself, Leo, na alamin or para mag-self-introspection, magmuni-muni, you will be starting, kailangan mong pag-aralan, kailangan mo nang i-observe ang mga tao sa paligid. That's why nga dito, because magiging bunga ito, magkakaroon ka ng trust issues, that's why comes February, mag-start ka na unti-unti ng pag-cut off unti-unti kasi dati parang Leo, parang available ka sa lahat. Okay, kumbaga sino mag-invite, you go, it's like you're darling of the crowd, diba sabi ko nga, it's because you're very attractive kind of person. Ikaw ang nagbibigay ng saya sa crowd. But this time comes February, you will be starting to slowly, kumbaga magiging what is this? Kumbaga sa sarili mo na muna, parang matututo ka ng mag-research na muna sa mga taong pakikisamahan mo, alamin mo yung background nila, hindi ka na basta-basta magtitiwala. It's like if there's someone, o parang may bagong tao, may bagong person ka na makikilala, you're not going to put your trust easily with that kind of people. Okay? So, look at this one, overwhelming siguro. Ang nakikita ko dito with this 10 of Wands is just overwhelming. Ang dami lang responsibilities, ang dami lang obligations na dapat settle in your workplace. At the same time sa bahay, kung ano man yan. It seems na parang ikaw kasi yung gumagawa ng mga desisyon or ng mga paraan. Comes February, that's normal. That's normal sa buhay natin na kumbaga siguro kasi ikaw yung talagang parang leader. So, kumbaga yung decision ay sa'yo nakasalalay. That's why you will be overwhelmed. There will be a little bit of pressure comes February. Okay, you just need to be extra cautious in terms of stress. But I know, Leo, that you can handle this situation. But pinapakita lang nito comes February, may konting mga pressure or overwhelming reactions or overwhelming situations na medyo magpapabigat ng iyong nararamdaman. But this is more on related sa work or sa workplace or sa mga minamaster mo or ginagawa mong mga crafts, okay, na related or aligned sa skills mo, Leo. So, let's continue. Pang-anim mong baraha is the Hangman. So, magkatapat sila ng Page of Wands. So, although sabi ko nga, lumas yung 10 of Wands na medyo may konting mga pressure sa workplace lang yon. But this Hanged Man comes February, you will be continuing na ipagpapatuloy mo na mas i-develop pa yung talent mo, yung skills, yung craft mo na nasimulan. So, it's like a lot of people will be discovering it. Although, kahit nga sabi ko sa inyo, unti-unti ka magka-cut off, parang unti-unti ka magtatago or hindi mo na magpapapansin, magpapa magbibigay ng update, parang hindi ka masyadong makikita sa labas, but still, the people will be discovering through your skills and talent na master mo, or maybe there will be a recognition also sa yung boss or sa kung sino man ang higher authority na nagmamanage sa'yo. Okay, Leo? That's a very beautiful card. Then, eto nga. Sabi ko, King of Cups, here you are, talagang there will be big achievements. So, ma-recognize ka talaga. So, may awards na may receive. Here you are, like a king holding a cup. Victory, success, uuwi ka talagang success talaga. Sumakses ka talaga, Leo. So, I'm congratulating you in advance. By February, makukuha mo, if you're waiting something big, extraordinary milestone na siguro, sabi ko, you have worked for a long time, pinaghirapan mo. So, comes February, there will be a very positive result with that. There will be a good news. Kung hindi man yan talaga totally dumating comes February, but at least you will be receiving a good news regarding that matter. Okay? So, pangwalo, oh my God. Tingnan mo, King of Cups. Ito, pampito, Knight of Cups. So, what does it mean? So, Leo, counts February. The cards are not lying. This is a real confirmation from the universe that February will be the new beginning for you. Kumbaga, ito pa lang yung new year mo. So, Leo, February will be the start of a very beautiful, very successful life that you are dreaming of. So, you're very skillful, you're very talented, you're very jolly. So, you're very sociable. Mahal ka ng karamihan. That's why you are oozing with too much confidence and you're radiating positivity, good vibes. So, yan din yung magiging kumbaga alas mo para mas lalong mag-manifest ng mga positive things or blessings na manggagaling sa ibang tao o kung saan man. This King of Cups is a confirmation na magtutuloy-tuloy talaga ang kumbaga stable. There will be stability in terms of all aspects in your life. So you don't need to worry. February it will be makikita mo talaga na maganda yung flow. Okay, maganda ang relationship. If you have partner in terms of you have business, maganda yung kita, or sa workplace mo, so mare-recognize ka. So, ayun nyo ba yan, Leo? So, let's continue. The Fool, a very beautiful card. Ang pangsyamong baraha, Leo is the Fool. So, comes February, you will be enjoying. You will be receiving so much happiness. So, it's like, sabi ko, yung mga worries na ito, na konti, dito sa 10 of Wands, sa mga obligations lang yun sa trabaho. But in terms of your emotional at social situation, everything will be very good. But this full card signifies that you will be enjoying, okay, because you will be so happy because of the good news that you will be receiving, because of the recognition or mga awards na may receive mo or whatever things na talagang at least will uplift your mood or kung ano man yan. So, the Fool, so tingnan mo, the background color yellow, happiness, joy. So, there's a sun. So, there will be clarity about everything. So, tingnan mo, yan na-overcome mo. Kung tutusin, hindi ka natatakot, talagang matapang ka, nasa tabi ka ng pangpang or ng isang bato. Look at those ocean, your waves, that was your hardships, but parang hinaharap mo lang siya ng puno ng lakas or puno ng tapang, Leo. Of course, you're very strong person, very charismatic person ang mga Leo, okay? 10th and last card, oh my God, grabe naman. Yung dalawang king, yung Knight of Cups lumabas. Yung King of Cups lumabas ngayon, another Knight. So, kung yun Cups, ito Pentacles. So, worry no more. February, magiging maganda ang katayuan sa kaperahan. So, career-wise, sabi ko nga, look at this one. This Knight of Cups signifies that February will be a very stable month for you. In terms, lalong-lalo na sa Pentacles, sa pera. So, huwag masyadong mag-worry kasi maraming mga options, maraming sources, maraming pwedeng pagkakitaan. At kung meron man ay magiging okay ang takbo nito. Okay? That's why meron man tayo dito konting stress, but sanabi ko ito lang, 10 of Wands, obligations lang, responsibilities na dapat mong isettle, but kinalaman sa workplace or sa mga decision making na ikaw talaga ang gumagawa or ikaw lang yung inaasahan. Okay? But all in all, Leo, this is a very beautiful February 2026 reading. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Leo makapanood ito ngayon. And kapag nagustuhan nyo o nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe ang ating channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Hanggang susunod nating pagsasama, nasaan man kayo naroon, ano pong ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.